Monday morning, here we are. One pallet, 4 bundles. This cat's getting loaded up with some other stuff. It goes right here. And over that. Here we go. All right, today we got this one. We got to get this one delivered. It's pretty early. It's 6 o'clock. I got 2 more I got to do. I got to get this one knocked out real fast, which isn't that far. It's like a 20-mile deal. And then looking at 2 more today that I got to go run and do. But we got to haul. We got to get busy. So off we go. Going back and forth real quick over to Chandler, from Phoenix to Chandler, turn around, go right back. Yeah, both of those kind of fell apart. No fault of my own, it was just one of those things, right? So customer required something, wasn't gonna work out, so that sucks. So I grabbed something off the load board. Looks like I'm gonna run over to Chandler real quick. I'm gonna pick up a load of pipe, and I'm gonna run that down to Tucson, and hopefully I can find something coming back from Tucson. You know, my morning will look real good. It was looking like I was gonna have a real good day, and now it's just kind of, we'll just salvage what's left of Monday, and then we'll start over, do it again tomorrow. Hopefully not do this again, but we'll do something better tomorrow. I hope, maybe. We'll see, but we'll make the best of this situation. That's all you can do. Well, good morning. Supposed to be headed down to Tucson to make a delivery, but this morning Tucson driver kind of screwed up. I guess they took most of my stuff to the Tucson branch and left it 1 pallet. So now I have to go to the Tucson branch to go make a pickup by 8 o'clock, and it's currently 6:20. And if you drive up and down the I-10, you see a lot of DPS doing DOT inspections. My turn. All right, well, we're rolling. Dude complained that my window tint was too dark, and by too dark, 1%. Really? You want me to strip my window tint over 1%? My window's got some dust and water spots on it from our recent storms. 1%, bro? How about I clean my window and you test it again? Right? Told me I gotta strip my window tint. Totally. I'm doing that when I get home. Yeah, that's not happening. Not a chance in hell that is happening. So, whatever. And that's the first DOT inspection that I've had where the guy doesn't check my lights, he doesn't walk around, check tires, check brakes. He didn't check anything. He just asked for my information and went to his car. And then rolled my window up to check my window tint. So, is that really an inspection if they don't check anything? I don't think it is. But it'll probably get posted on my, I mean, I'm not out of service, but it'll get posted on the FMCSA website as I got an inspection. The dude didn't look at nothing. And then I didn't sign the paperwork. He just kind of shoved it through the window and took off. So, kind of rude. Alright, so this is it. This is what I came for. We're going 2 miles. It's, yeah, whatever. And then that roll, that box. That's it. Came all the way down here for that. To get harassed by some cop with, you know. Anyway, let's go get rid of this, see what we can find out of Tucson, head back to Phoenix.
A few moments later.
Thursday. So today is the first day of the rest of my life. I got my letter of release from TAFS, T-A-F-S. Don't ever factor with those people, ever. Don't do it. Moved over to Basic Block this morning, submitted all my invoices for the week, and they've already been paid. It's like 8:30 in the morning. Hell yeah. It's good. It's like refreshing to see like a good quality company. So far, so good. I don't know if, you know, if anything bad happens, I'll be sure to let everybody know. Be truthful about things, but so far, so good. They called me this morning to make sure everything's cool and everything's good. We're golden. Headed over to my first pickup of the day. We're gonna go pick up some steel. It's gonna head over towards, it says Mattel, so I think it's gonna be maybe roller coaster parts for a new resort right next to the Cardinal Stadium. So this should be interesting. We'll see what happens. Anyway, let me get over there. We'll see what it looks like. All right, so here we are at Steel Yard, picking up 16,000 and some change. It is steel grating. Steel grating. So guys, definitely know how much you can scale. This is what I can scale. So that's it. Got my little strap protectors on. Should be all good. It's all good in the hood right now. We're gonna get this delivered. It's not that far, so we'll run over there and knock this out. Paperwork says 44,000 though. Going right there. Something new every day.